Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We see that we have y(x), the square root of sy, they are degree number 1. So that means this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. So if we do first the derivative for the both sides, we have dy over dx equals to, we do first the derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by x. Later that we do first the derivative of x, so we have only v. So this one we change for by this one, y we change vx. So this one we have s square. The square root of s square, we got s. We have s, s, and s. We simplify. Next, we put v go to the right. So we multiply by 1 plus the square root of v on numerator and denominator. Negative v with number 1 and the square root of v. Positive v minus negative v, they will cancel. So we just have this one left. This one we put on the left, the s and s we put on the right. So we will have about 1 plus the square root of v over this one. We have the s over s. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So the square root of v, that's about v to the power of 1 over 2. Similar for this one. V multiplied by v to the power of 1 over 2. We have 1 plus 1 over 2. And this one we have 3 over 2. This one divided by this one, number 1 divided by this one, and I will put negative sign in here. So we have v to the power of negative number 3 over 2 plus v to the power of 1 over 2 minus 3 over 2. And this one we have negative number 1. And we can write about 1 over v. The integration of v to the power of negative number 3 over 2. We have v to the power of negative number 3 over 2 plus 1 over negative number 3 over 2 plus 1. This one we have ln of the absolute value of v. This one we have ln of the absolute value of s. This one we have negative 1 over 2. This one we have negative 1 over 2. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And we put this one to replace for v. This is the end. Thank you for watching.